Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Damien from Adapt and DIY, and today I will show you how I've made a squat box. If you are new here, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Before we start, let me show you the cutting list for the box. I've got the dimension from repsfitness.com. If you want to check their item, I've put a link in the description below. The box is made with 18mm plywood. As I don't have enough space to cut the plywood sheet, I've preferred to have it cut at the store. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is to label each part to avoid any confusion. As per Rep Fitness, we have a kind of finger joint to make the box stronger. I'm now marking all the joints to be cut. The box is composed of 6 panels, and there are 3 identical pairs. I've clamped each pair together to save some time and then cut everything with my jigsaw. Then I've marked the location of all pilot holes. With a countersunk pilot bit, every pilot holes are drilled. Then I've marked the location of the handle on the box. The 2 ends are drilled with a Forstner bit. Then the remaining are cut with a jigsaw. I can now start putting everything together. I wanted to have a smooth end, to prevent any injuries if someone slipped on the box. So I've trimmed all the edges with my router. Then to make all corners safer, I've rounded everything with a rounded bit. I can now move to the finishing process. I've decided to use a wood filler to fill all voids between the joints and to cover all the screws. After a couple of hours, I'm back to sand the panels with my finishing sander. For the edges, I preferred to do it manually with my sanding block. Let's clean the box before applying the finished glue. To protect the plywood, I've decided to use a clear water-based varnish. I just received my sticker and wanted to glue it on the box. So that's it guys, stay tuned on the social media page, my online shop is coming soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the bell notification to get notified when I post a new video.